Dito na ako sa SM mga shots. Sauli na natin tong ating sapatos na nabili kahapon. Mali din talaga ako magpili ng ng size jowa. Akala ko 11.5 siya. Size 12 na pala siya. Dito ako bumili kahapon. Itong cute nito, oh. Word balance. Kulay niya puting-puti. Oh, ang ganda. Parang bagay sa akin, pero pang lalaki yan. Dito tayo. Sa kabila. Saan ba yun? Skechers. Hi, kuya. Sino sa Skechers? Ikaw po? Pa-change po ng item. Gamit ko lang yung aking cellphone ngayon. So, nandito na ako. Hindi ko alam kung i-change ko pa yung kulay. Ay, may tago sila. Parang hindi ko pa nakita kahapon. Kita ko siya. Tingnan nyo. Ang problema ngayon mga shots, yung pinili kong kulay, wala nang size 12. Ngayon, magpapalitan naman kami ng kulay. Ay, ano ba yan? Ang bilis naman naubos. Sa hapon, mayroon yun. Ngayon, wala na pala. So, kailangan kong mag-choose ng ibang kulay. Pinakuha ko kay kuya yung pangalawang choices ni Jowa na ano ba nangyari sa buko. Hindi ko alam kung mayroong big size siyang makuha. Wait nga lang, i-check ko. Say hello. Say happy afternoon.
No.
It's a beautiful day. Where's the sign? It's a... There.
Right.
It's a beautiful
Mom,
day.
right.
The lights.
Yeah, that.
It's getting dark?
No,
No, not yet?
right.
Okay, not yet.
Right.
Okay.
Mama,
Yeah, you got your earrings on.
Papa, right.
Yeah. Is it pretty?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, good. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you.
Ajo.
Grandma.
Apa. Mada.
What's that?
Eat.
Teeth. You're showing your teeth. Okay.
Did
Did you brush your teeth today?
eat.
Good.
Tired.
Green grass. So pretty.
Ooh, yay. Ooh, yay.
What about?
Getting finished now.
They're not even finished yet. They still have something going on there.
No, this side is finished. That side, I think so.
You mean to say the road?
Yeah, the road is open. See? Still, that side is going on. See, this side is open.
What happened? No need that one, babe. Ay, itong amang ito masyado namang sobrahan sa pagka-safety. SM kami today. I thought Nicole is behind me. Let's go to the department store first. Department store. Let's change that one. Go in this way. Yeah, we're in SM, babe. Isauli lang namin yung sapatos na binili ko sa kanya. Kasi nung huling pumunta ako, wala nang size ng sapatos na gusto niya. So ngayon gusto niyang mamili, which is today naman day off niya. Wala siyang trabaho. So siya na yung mamili ng kanyang gustong sapatos na susuotin.
Sure is the biggest. The biggest?
Walang 46 kuya?
Mula.
Sa online, meron tong 46 ah.
Dito mo ma'am,
Wala.
halos size 12 po yung pinaka-biggest.
Size 12 nga. Size 12 is 45?
45 po. But I have 46 in this.
Do they have something else?
Bali, hindi na. Bali, size 12 po, 46 na po siya.
Ayun nga.
Kasi
46.
po yung meron po tayong 12 na 45 lang.
So what size is this one?
This is for 44. 44. This is
44.
This is 45. This is size 11.
But you don't like this kind of color, right? You want this one? The color?
I think 45, I don't know. That's the one that you brought is also 45.
Yeah, that's 45. But they have 46 here. Meron? Kuya?
Double check lang po natin.
Okay.
Can you just check please? What size are you doing?
The biggest one.
The biggest 46, but if you can give me a dark color. Black, dark blue.
Running or basketball shoes, sir?
Walking.
Walking.
Any.
Anything, sir? Anything that they have a size 46 there?
46,
Yeah.
any size, any color. If you have darker color, very good. That is
Then?
They have.
Complain the boss.
Only thing is that they're lazy to go behind and go through all the boxes to check.
Ay, nako. Meron natin. Nag-check kayo? Ay, anong brand? Oo, kanina. Meron ba? Ah, here, babe. Let's see.
Like I said,
46. Okay. Try this one, babe. But this is the only design they have for your size. Oh. There's no black ate? Like,
they just can't be choosers.
yeah, size 12. Gutom na ang bata. Ako may pa-music man si SM. Copyright na naman tayo. What size? 13. So they have a bigger size. Na. How about you have to try that one also? The Anta. Pantry nga ng Anta, kuya. Anong size meron ko dyan? $1,000?
6595. Dito lang po yung meron din ng darker color.
Really? This is more expensive than the one than I bought for you. The
This is plastic.
yeah.
Ganito instead, baka gusto. For size 30. Which one is this?
It's quite big, Just try it on. Let's see.
Size 30.
You okay na? What happened? Okay, you wait. Oh, where's the black one that you want to choose? That one? You like that? Okay.
This one is also good. But then
It's not that soft?
too white. You get dirty very quick.
Okay. Then you can wear that one. How much is that, kuya? Yeah, we still have to add more. Yeah, we have to replace the other one, kuya. Oo. 450. Okay. nakakainis naman itong aking cellphone. Ay, hindi pala cellphone, yung aking DJI. Kailangan ko muna mag-delete bago ko magamit kasi puno na naman. Hindi ko pa na-delete yung iba. Ngayon puno na naman, nakakainis. Hindi ko tuloy magamit. But anyway, nagbabayad na si Jowa. Oh, siya na yung shopping. Do you know each other? Oh, I didn't know that. Ah. Okay, let's go. Yana will eat chicken. You will have barbecue. Yana? Umiiyak ang bata. Why? My baby is crying. No pushing.
Over here. It's dirty over here.
Nandito pala kami sa Mang Inasal, mga shots. Papatry namin kay Mami Dear yung ano, Mang Inasal. Ha? Look guys. He wants unlimited rice also. Unlimited rice. Chicken. First time kumain ni Mami ng ano, Mang Inasal. Babe, where is the ano?
Make some room, babes.
Where's the spoon and fork? Oh. Tapos na kami kumain, mga shots. Grabe itong batang ito. Sobra ng kalikutan. Hindi kami nakakain ng maayos, pero naubos naman yung aming pagkain. Kalikutan ng batang ito. You need something, Mom? Okay, let's go. Hindi kumain ng kanyang kanin, pero ang sugar ang gusto ng bata. Oh, careful, anak. Excited siya sa kanyang cat. Wala na yung damit ng batang ito. Grabe yung batang ito ngayon. Grabing kalikutan. Mukhang kailangan na to ng training. Hindi na siya nakakatuwa. Kung gano'n nila. Yes, anak, we're going home na. Masyado ka nang malikot. Hindi ka na nakokontrol. Yes. Yeah, it's dark now. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. Time to sleep. Yan lang yung ginawa namin. Oh, meow meow. Sleep meow meow. That's the guy? Ang liwanag dito. Yung aming mga shopping. Saan naman siya? Ang ganda ng spot na dyan. Oh. Blue na blue yung kalangitan. Uwi na pala kami mga shots. Yun lang yung ginawa namin. Nagpapalit lang ng sapatos niya. That's the one? Is that the one, babe? That's the one? I don't know.